Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about two different problems. One is dysentery classification and K-midwives clustering using Orange tool. And other is a problem based on sentiment analysis. So what is an Orange tool? Orange tool is a C++ core object and routines library that incorporates a huge variety of standard and non-standard machine learning and data mining algorithms. It is an open source data visualization, data mining, and machine learning tool. Orange is a scriptable environment for quick prototyping of the latest algorithms and testing patterns. It's a group of Python-based modules that exist in the core library. It implements some functionalities for which execution time is not essential, and that is also done in Python. What are the features of the Orange tool? It incorporates a variety of tasks such as pretty print of dictionaries, bagging and boosting attribute subset, and many more. Orange is a set of graphical widgets that utilizes strategies from the core library and Orange modules and gives a decent user interface. The widget supports digital-based communication and can be gathered together into an application by a visual programming tool called an Orange Canvas. The below are the screenshots of the dictionary classification using Orange tool. So we have created a dictionary here with different nodes like file, data table, and data sampler. We are configuring each and every node, like starting from file, then we are setting up the database details with the database. So moving on other node, this is the dictionary that we have got using Orange tool. This is the K midwives classification, the graph that you will get in the midwives classification. So the next problem is sentiment analysis. We are going to download a recent Britain election news from YouTube and analyze the sentiment of each sentence and conclude the same. The UK Prime Minister Liz Truss resigned on Thursday after spending just 45 days in the office. Her short stint marked the shortest, most chaotic tenure of any British Prime Minister. Her resignation came after a falling out among the ministers in her cabinet over mini budget policy she introduced. The now reversed policy featured several unfunded tax cuts and would have cost the UK economy around $48 billion worth of taxes. So, what's the current situation? Rishi Sunak, who will take over as Britain's Prime Minister from Liz Truss on Monday, promised stability and unity as his priority. The former Chancellor, who won Tory leadership contest on Monday, is poised to walk through the door of 10 Downing Street in London after an audience with King Charles III in Buckingham Palace. So we are going to do sentiment analysis. What is sentiment analysis? It is the process of detecting positive or negative sentiment in text. It's often used by businesses to detect sentiment in the social data, gauge brand reputation, and understand customers. Sentiment analysis focuses on polarity of a text, but it also goes beyond polarity to detect specific feelings and emotions, urgency, and even intentions. Depending on how you want to interpret customer feedback and queries, you can define and tailor your categories to meet your sentiment analysis needs. Emotion detection and sentiment analysis allows you to go beyond polarity to detect emotions like happiness, frustration, anger, and many others. Usually, when analyzing sentiments of text, you will want to know which particular aspects or features people are mentioning in a positive, neutral, or negative way. So, what's the conclusion about it? Politics is, at the end of the day, a people's business. You need to be able to communicate, resonate, connect, and empathize. The most important form of intelligence for a prime minister is not therefore intellectual or financial, but emotional. The simple fact is, trust never seemed to be able to relate or relax. The interview responses were always too mechanical. The body language too was very cardboardish. So, how did we arrive to this conclusion? Uh, we have downloaded a video from YouTube, and this is the transcript, the data of the captions. We have entered the data in those captions in an Excel sheet and uploaded the Excel sheet in a Jupyter lab and did the sentiment analysis. Thank you.